one of the most important flow chart to show you how the smart cable factory is. It's very, very, very important to do and to show this one before we go to the demo. First, we have three main models in the cable factory. First one is a product design model. Second one is a business model, and the last one is a factory model. Now and today, we are talking about the product and design model. 2 months ago, we have talked about the factory model and how it's linked with the business model and the design model. And in the couple of months, in the Q2, we will come back to talk about both, and the webinar will be a little bit longer, talk about both cable MES and cable builder. But let's focus about what we can do with this one. Cable builder, now we are talking about cable builder, and cable builder is a module that we are going to use in the product and design module. The business module, model is everyone knows, and I'm pretty sure that everyone has his own ERP, whether it's handmade, it's local made, or it's international, like Oracle, SAP, Microsoft Vision, Microsoft Dynamics, and so on. And last but not least is a factory model. The factory model, we have the platforms, the PLC, and the machines. Yes, that's a standard, our standard. In some machines, we know that some machines, they don't have PLC, but that's a standard. You will have the platform. We will capture the data from the machine using the PLC and give also the order to the data by PLC. Then the interface, the interact between the different platforms. We are creating BOM, routing, costing, quotation, reports, and everything, production order, and this information will move straight away to the ERP, and from the ERP will go to the factory model. And then cable builder also is able to give an order to the factory model straight away without going to ERP. Cable builder is made as a standard ERP. So with a cable builder, you can do more than 80% or 85% of the ERP that can do is a standard ERP. And then from the factory model, sending the feedback, that is the most important one. In the cable builder or in the technical department, normally we are designing the things theoretically, but the most important thing is what the factory, the manufacturing people, production people are doing, and is it reflecting or is it updated in my design? Is I'm doing the things in the right way, wrong way? Is we have overconsumption, less consumption? Is everything is really managed? The raw material variance, the scrap, is everything is integrated within cable builder? And this one is very, very, very important to have the feedback from the shop floor and give it to both ERP and the cable builder. And with smart factories, smart solutions that we have, you will have this option. And then also the factory model is able to give the path straight away, the feedback straight away to a cable builder. And last but not least is our second factory model, which is called cable MES. We have presented last, I told you 2 or 3 months ago. Please, we will refer to the YouTube video. Please have a look to it, and if you have any question, just text to us, and we will be more than happy to help you. And then I will not go there, but one of the most important point is we need to have the raw material price, and we have 3 different ways of updating the raw material price. Raw material price is a touchy point, is impacting everything in the quotation and so on, the daily quotation that you are sending to the client. We have the first way. The first one is you update one by one. The second one is you get the updated information from the ERP, and the third one is, as Chris said, using the project model, project module to update the massive raw material price updated.